Today we're going to be talking about Solana crypto and why it could be going higher soon. Let's get into the video. Hi everyone, my name is Zach and welcome back to Finance Bro. Before we get into the video, I'd like to ask you guys to please leave a comment of your favorite cryptocurrency at the moment. Why it's your favorite cryptocurrency at the moment? And also consider leaving a like and subscribe as it really helps with the YouTube algorithm. And I know this is a crypto video, but I'd like to take the time to promote Public, which is a social investing app where you can get a free stock worth up to $70 when you deposit just $1 on their platform. So if that sounds interesting to you, go ahead and follow us on there at It's Finance Bro after you deposited that $1 and gotten your free stock. First link in the description. With all that out of the way, let's get straight into the crypto for today, which is going to be Solana. And actually real quick, I just want to show you guys what Public looks like. You guys can see here that you can see our portfolio, our long-term portfolio, as well as our watch list. So if you guys want to see what we're investing in and why, and then you can also see when we sell something, when we buy something, and why, go ahead and use that first link in the description to get signed up with Public. But anyways, let's get into Solana. Sorry, I think I've been saying that wrong. It's actually Solana. Don't come for me in the comments. But basically, here is their website. You can see that their kind of tagline is "Build crypto apps that scale." Solana is a fast, secure, and censorship-resistant blockchain, providing the open infrastructure required for global adoption. So that is something that is a massive thing in the crypto world. Is the censorship-resistant blockchain? Just basically just making sure that anyone can use this thing and no one can get censored while using it. One thing that I do like is their website is extremely good. They have the start building, learn more button, and they also have how many transactions have been used on Solana, and this thing is going up as we speak. It's absolutely insane. The average fee per transaction is a lot. And then they also have 1,300 nodes and the block time of 639 milliseconds. So overall, extremely good. You can learn more about Solana by watching the minute 40 video if you guys want to. We're not going to personally watch that right now. But yeah, I mean, the best projects in DeFi, Web3, and blockchain gaming choose to build on Solana for the long term. You can see all of these different gaming blockchains are all on here. You can see that Chainlink is on here. So if you guys want to see even more things that are using Solana, then go ahead and use this. Or go ahead and go to Solana.com. Solana can process $50,000 transaction per second. You can stress test the network by yourself by trying to play this game also. And basically, they just have a very, very good website. And I know basically all of crypto have a good website, but Solana has a very clean one with everything built out perfectly. And they have these three things. They have the ability to scale. Solana leverages proof of history and several other breakthrough innovations to allow the network to scale at the rate of Moore's law. They also have low costs and is composable. So basically, they have everything that crypto really needs. And I think it's amazing. Now that's going to be it for the overview, but we can actually come here to see why Solana is up again today. Reaching the sun is the limit for this hot crypto, according to Zayun Sun from the Motley Fool. Obviously, I know you guys don't like Motley Fool, but they write a lot of articles, and sometimes this is the best article out there. So what happened? In the past 24 hours, Solana tokens are up 10% to $76 a piece as of 10:30 a.m. today. This was obviously written yesterday. The Solana network, which powers decentralized blockchain apps on its infrastructure, has been gaining a lot of traction. Recently, the Degenerate Ape Academy, a hub for non-fungible tokens, launched on Solana Art platform. Within days of its launch, almost 1,700 owners have flocked to the Degenerate Ape platform with 3,500 NFTs for sale. Buyers and sellers have already transacted NFTs worth 137,000 SOL, which is equivalent to about $10 million in today's price. But that's not all the platform can do. Solana Foundation, the company behind the token, is currently partnering with Chainlink Labs to develop crypto option trading solutions that utilize Solana's architecture and receive real-time price updates in little as 0.4 seconds. In addition, the Solana Foundation has partners with Tether and Terraform Labs, the company behind Terra, to bring stablecoins onto its network for decentralized app developers to use. So basically, they're partnered with Chainlink, which is something we've already made a video on this channel, and they are also partnered with Tether. So they're with these massive cryptos in order to bring crypto options trading, as well as basically the ability to use their platform to build these gaming websites and everything like that. So this is kind of like an Ethereum and Cardano light, and they're making their own way in this little crypto bubble. They are making their way into this. So overall, extremely good. Now even though Solana is very innovative and has huge potential, do note that its fully diluted market cap has soared to 40 billion from the recent rally. Many of the Solana network projects are still in their early stages or starting to gain traction, so the valuation needs to catch up. Beware of buying into the hype at this time. I would agree that we did just have a massive bump in price, and I would like the price to come down before I personally would make an entrance into this crypto. But there is a lot of potential for this long term, and I would hate to miss out on the massive run up this is about to have. Okay, so here we are on CoinMarketCap.com. You can see that Solana is actually the 10th biggest crypto in terms of market cap, only behind Polkadot, Dogecoin, XRP, Cardano, Ethereum, Bitcoin, Tether, Binance, obviously, and the USDC. So, I mean, they're one of the biggest cryptos in the crypto sphere, and the fully diluted market cap was at $40 billion at some point yesterday, but their total market cap is about $20 million right now. If we take a look at the historical data, you can actually see here that volume is down, or was down a bit, or is down a bit today, but in terms of compared to a week ago, it is up massively. You can see that they're only doing between about $300 and $500 million every day, $1,000 million every day, and now they're doing between $1 and $4 billion every day. Today they're down 45% at about $2.4 billion being transacted on Solana. Obviously, that piece of news we brought up earlier in this video has kind of turned that up a little bit, but yeah, if you take a look at the overall chart of Solana, obviously the volume has been picking up the last couple of days, and they broke a key resistance here at the $55 level. So now we are in uncharted territory. We don't really know where resistance or support is. I would just be careful with this cryptocurrency in general. As for my overall thoughts on the cryptocurrency, I think it's a very good idea. I think it has a lot of use case. I think it's very similar to Cardano, and overall I think it does have a lot of upside, especially from this $20 billion level. I would personally like to see it kind of drop in price before I would make an entrance, however. But yeah, that is pretty much going to be it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys did enjoy the video, go ahead and found any value in it, go ahead and leave a like and subscribe, as it really helps with the growth of the channel and the YouTube algorithm in general. If you guys have any questions about Solana, go ahead and leave them in the comment section below. I'll try to get back to as many of you as I can. That's pretty much going to be it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Zach, and I'll see you in the next video.